the last video in the digital marketing case study, we have gone through the data set, we have taken the notes on the data set, then we have seen some key terms that are used in digital campaigns, then we have built some KPIs, formulas, then we have gone through the Google Data Studio, imported the data set and created some KPIs here, then we have created some visualization of scorecards, combo charts, pie charts, and donut charts. Then we have gone make another page where we focused mainly on the data. So we have created some scorecards of the total different parameters. Then we have created a table of the data. Now we will do the heat mapping of each column so that we will know that which column data is preferable for us. So for that we will first select our table. So our table is selected. Then we go to the styling, and this is our first column, second column, third column, and fourth column. So we will start with the week only. So here it is column first uh, of the matrices. So we will see that. Yeah. So column first of the matrix is our cost. So we will go to the column one of the matrix, that is our cost. So this is our column one. Here it is showing as number. So we will show it as an heat map. Now by default, the now in the cost, this is cost that our ad campaign that the our campaign ad campaign has spent. So the more cost we have spent, it is not good for us. We want that we should acquire the customer in the least cost we want. So we will mark it as red. So this show as that we have spent a large amount on these ad campaigns. So the larger the amount, the higher the color, the higher the intensity of the red color. So this is our cost. Then for the payments. So for the second column, we have the payments. So payments, again we will create a heat map. So the more we got the payment, it's better for us. So we will do the green color. So in the payment, if we do the green color and try to short it, the payment, mhm, try to short it by the payments at descending order. So you can see that the more cost it costed for the ad campaign, the better payment we got it. So this is the second thing. Now for the third one, leads. For the third one, leads. The more leads we get, the better it is for us. For the column 3, we will do the heat map and we will mark it as blue only. The number of more leads we have, it's better for us. So third one is lead. Fourth one is impressions. So impression again. Uh, Fourth one is impression. Impression again we will create a and change its color with the green one only. So the more the impression we have, the better the green shade it has. Click through rate, again the click through rate, we have the green color. The more clicks we got, the better our ad campaign is. So we will do the green color here, the heat map. So this seems fine. Now CPC. CPC are cost per conversion. So the more cost we have paid for a conversion, it is not in favor for us. Okay, because for acquiring a single customer, we have spent a lot more. So in the heat map, we will go and we will select it as red one. Okay. So here you can see that the more cost uh, we have paid for it for conversion of customer. Now for the return on investment, it's simple. The more the return on investment we have, the better it is for us. So again, we will do the return on investment as dark as green. Same for the return on ad spend. The more got returns on spending on ad, the better it is for us. So we will do a dark green. Yeah, the green here. Now, now we can visualize the data and see that the first few campaigns that is run by the EK generic try talk reservation, EK generic swimming, these all and these ad groups has performed very well. As you can see that they have good return on investment, return on ad spends and all those things. So these show that out of different campaigns and ad groups, up to these ad groups, they have performed very well as compared to the others. And you can see that on February 15, the cost we have beared is very high. The impression we got is good, but for the click-through rate, it's not very good. That's why we don't have CPC and ROI and ROS. Same here on February 2022, we have something we can see the beer of loss because we have spent high on the cost. We got good impression, but the cost per conversion is very high and the ROI and ROS is not seen. So this marks the second page of the table. Now in next parts, we will create the slicers and filters and all those things. So till then, keep learning.